Hello everyone. So, we are back with yet another interesting episode of Dean's Story World. Let me welcome our today's guest, who is a well known personality in the media industry. She's been a media personality with 15 years of diverse experience in anchoring, panel discussions, and content writing. She's a thorough professional. So let us begin our question array with our supremely talented guest. Here she is. Hello, Pallavi. Welcome to our channel.
Thank you. Thank you for inviting me for this discussion. Happy to be here.
So, Pallavi, just let us know how it started, the liking for short hair, from where this idea came into your mind. It happened accidentally.
Okay, so this started way back in 2015. I used to work with a television channel at that point in time, and we had a new style team in the in the company, and they were designing looks for each and every anchor. So they were analyzing and seeing what style would suit which anchor, and somehow the stylist thought that short hair would suit me. And when they gave the cut, and when I went on screen, I got a very positive feedback. And for the first time in my life, I realized that okay, short hair can look good on me. So that's how it started. So I
Accidentally.
mean,
It happened
yeah,
accidentally. Yeah.
absolutely. So it wasn't my choice to keep short hair, but the decision to always keep short hair for the last 6 years, that has been my decision.
Okay, so what was the feeling when it first happened? Having your first short haircut. What kind of feeling you had in your heart?
So I was surprised because somehow since our childhood, especially girls, we are always told to keep long hair
Yeah.
because that's the beauty standard. If you're a girl, you need
Yeah.
to keep long hair, and if in case a guy keep long hair, he will always be teased.
Yeah.
Okay, why are you keeping long hair like girls? So same way, I never thought that I would look good with such short hair, even though I used to get the haircuts and things like that. So I remember when I was in class 10th, I must have been 15 or something. I had cut my hair and I used to have very long braids, long hair, but cut them short till shoulder. So that was the first time I cut my hair, but I've never gone beyond that limit. I've never gone shorter. So this was the first time I went even shorter, and I realized that it suits me. So it was surprising. It was nice and kind of a new kind of realization that okay, one should experiment. One should experiment with their looks and should not be afraid of changing the look or something. So that
No,
was the
this is
first
our
feeling.
thing. It can grow. No, it will be growing again and again. You can have it any time and anywhere.
But there
That's
we
good.
are all, but we are the prisoners of our own thinking. Like we think that okay, how my family is going to react, or
And that,
how
yes.
my
Perception.
immediate
Yes.
family, as
Yes.
in my, how will my father react, how will my husband react, or if I'm going to react, because we give importance to others feelings more than our own. So sometimes we kind of restrict ourselves on our own. We don't really try, we don't experiment. So
Yes.
that's something
We are
I broke
afraid. Yeah.
in.
We are.
I broke the ice. I broke the ice in 2015, as I said. But somehow I've developed this liking on my own. People said that it looks nice on me, but I kind of realized it's easy to maintain. And if you have a hectic work life, so it's good to maintain, because I have a small kid also at home. So keeping short hair helps me, spare some time, because when you have long hair, you have to, it's a high maintenance thing. So that's something
Yeah.
very personal that I feel, that keeping short hair also helps you in other activities also. So otherwise you
Activities.
are you
Yes.
are too
Yes.
much bothered about your long hair, and there are a lot of other things which are
Taking care of
associated.
it. Yeah. It's too hectic. I can understand that.
Yeah. So in case you have
It
long
is.
hair, of course, be it long or short hair, you have to maintain both. But when it comes to,
No,
so
it's
first of all,
a
it's a
longer
choice.
one, so it take a lot of things and time even.
Extra care.
Yeah,
Absolutely,
that's
extra
that.
time, extra maintenance. So that was one part, and the other part, as I mentioned, was self-realization. I said that okay, I never experimented, but now that it's looking good, why not keep it? So that's why I continued
Yeah.
with the short hair thing.
So you have tried to change the perception that girls can look better in the shortened one also, rather than
I
having
won't say
long hair
better.
every time. The
I
family
won't say better.
tradition is going on, long hair, lambe baal, every time.
Even the ads, if you look at the commercials, long hair is
Yeah,
associated with strength.
correct.
There's an ad I would not like to name, but there's an ad where the girl comes crying to her mother, telling that people are teasing me in school, and the mother
Yes,
tells her that all the strength is in your hair. But
Yeah.
just to think of it, that if the girl is carrying short hair, will she not be strong? So this is something which is, more of a marketing thing, that, it has been marketed this way, that if you have long hair, you will feel more confident and you'll feel more this thing. So I think it's something, it's first of all a personal choice. It should not be thrust upon somebody that, if you want to
Yes, yes,
feel good, or if you want to
actually.
feel beautiful, you need to have long hair. You can
No.
feel beautiful even in short hair. So it's a personal choice, first of all. Shouldn't be thrust
Yes.
upon कि ऐसे ही करना है. That is something wrong, which I have realized that
एंड फॉर द
जबरदस्ती
फीमेल
आपने.
पार्ट आई थिंक फीमेल पार्ट के लिए ये बहुत ज़रूरी भी है, उनको इतनी छूट देनी ही चाहिए। हम लोग के ही ऊपर सारी मतलब पाबंदियाँ हैं। वी आर बीइंग रिस्ट्रिक्टेड फॉर ऑल दीज़ थिंग्स, शॉर्ट हेयर, लॉन्ग हेयर, नॉट दिस दैट, सारी चीज़ें आ
बट
जाती हैं
एज यू
मतलब।
सेड कि छूट देनी चाहिए, पहली बात तो ये कॉन्सेप्ट ही गलत है कि हमें किसी से छूट लेनी है. ये तो हमारे बाल
वो
है,
तो जो
हमारी लाइफ
सोसाइटी
है.
है ना,
वी हैव टू
सोसाइटी आवर
डिसाइड.
सोसाइटी।
We have to decide on our
एग्ज़ैक्टली।
own, and I think somebody has to make a change. The first time I cut my hair, I said that I didn't know how people are going to react, but of course it was a different kind of a feedback at home. Like in my workplace, everybody liked short hair, but in the family, of course, they were shocked, and the immediate ones, they took some time to adjust that, okay, she is liking short hair and maybe she's going to
लाइक
keep
दिस
them.
नाउ।
Because like during the lockdown, as you may know, like we couldn't cut our hair for, for a long period of time. So
या
again, I had long hair till shoulder, but last November again I went for a haircut. So again that same kind of reaction came in, then अरे आपने फिर से बाल कटा लिए. So वो चीज रहती ही है, मतलब that is going to stay, but you have to deal with it ना, and you should know how to deal with it. लोगों को
यस।
अच्छा लग रहा है, नहीं लग रहा है, that's a separate thing, but it is a perception battle. तो आपको खुद ही लड़नी है और खुद ही जीतनी है. That's what I
अपनी
feel.
लड़ाई हमें खुद ही लड़नी है ये, सही है।
Absolutely.
So, our last question, but not the least, what is your message for the other women or the young girls who want to try the short hair but feel restricted due to their family members' reaction or friends, or we can say general public's reaction? So, what do you want to say to them?
So before I share the message, there is one thing that I would like to say here, that I've met a lot of girls who come and tell me their secret desire, that they also want to keep short hair like me, but they are scared that, family members are going to react in a negative manner and they won't be able to handle this kind of a situation. So my advice, or simply my thought, is just that कि आपको आइस खुद ही ब्रेक करनी पड़ेगी, and you have to be strong enough if you want to do it. I mean, first of all, there is no compulsion that everybody has to keep short hair. Similarly, there is
ये
no compulsion that everyone has to keep long hair. If you make a choice, or if you have a secret desire of at least going for a short haircut once in your lifetime, once, or it could be any kind of a noble cause. I came across that story where a girl had shaved her head because she wanted to donate the
यस,
hair
यस,
for
यस।
cancer patients. So that is another wonderful cause. So you may have any reason, but the reason has to be your own. If you are keeping long hair just because your family members or people around you like it, this is something you should not do. uh, do what you feel is correct. If you feel that, okay, I want to keep short hair, like I mentioned, I keep short hair because it suits my kind of work schedule, and
लाइक
yeah, my kind of lifestyle and my kind of profile. So I like short hair, so I keep it. People may or may not like it. People are always going to judge me. So
या
keep the judgments aside and make your own choices, break the ice on your own, and you have to try. You have to try once, and I think you'll succeed. So that's how it
I
is.
think one hashtag with this interview will go break the ice. That will be one we can add with this interview. Break the ice. That is a good thing we can add on. So with this, I would like to say a big thank you to you for giving us this your precious time. And I just want to say we have learned a lot more things apart from this also from you. And on personal level, I can say you are really a very humbled person. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Happy to help in any way I can, and it is a good initiative that you guys are doing to, spread awareness
That's
about
being so nice of
this
you.
this social taboo, which I also earlier also mentioned, that there is a taboo associated with short hair, and especially
Yeah.
girls are shamed for keeping short hair. It's kind of associated with the kind of person that, that girl may be, her character and things like that. But these are all, just, minor things. If you decide what is good for you, you have to do that. So that's my message. And always happy to help anytime I'm required. Happy to be.
Thank